Hello. So today we'll talk about deeper into how you feel, why you feel lonely when you are going through the separation. Where the truth is you have met your twin flame who is your complementing half of your soul, and the whole purpose of the journey is to become whole, okay, become complete on a level of soul, not on a level of body only. So in that scenario, why in the reality you experience loneliness, like you cannot even ignore that you are feeling like absolutely lonely. There is nobody, you don't have friends, you don't have anybody else around you. All that you have to want to feel is feel sad. Why does that happen? Going back to the basics is like your twin flame is you, and you are one soul and two bodies. So and you have already experienced the true love during your meeting phase or during your initial phase. So deep within your soul you understand what a true love feels like. And when the journey starts and you get into the phase of separation, and anyway, choosing that separation is also your choice. Somewhere in your consciousness you believe that separation is true, but the truth is, in union consciousness there is no separation. There is no separation between you and your twin flame. It's a absolute oneness relationship. Okay. So why does it happen? Why do you feel lonely, and how exactly it feels? It feels like you really don't want to, and I'm sharing my experiences, and there could be cases like you are feeling something different. That depends on your blocks. Okay, absolutely depends on your blocks. So what I felt was like I used to be surrounded by friends, a lot of friends, and also like a lot of connection around me, and I used to be engaged with everyone, felt happy and all that. And all of a sudden when the journey started, it actually took me deeper into my soul. What happens is, like your twin flame or your false twin flame, both of them actually takes you quite deeper into a feeling. It's not that feeling that you are experiencing with them is outside. You actually connect with a part deep within you who actually desires that true love. And once you experience that, there is no coming back. Once you experience that highest form of love, because the love with your twin flame is the divine love. Okay, because it's like when the creator has created, he has created both of you as one. He has put that deepest desire within you, so that you make your choices to come into harmonious union. So you experience that feeling deep within you, and then all of a sudden, due to blocks, the separation process starts. So first of all, know that the separation phase also has its purpose. Nothing happens without a purpose. So both of you actually, on a soul level, you had made this choice. You have made this choice to heal all those separation consciousness within you and come into harmonious union. So and while going through the process, all that you have to do is heal those separation consciousness, and like ground or stay completely in peace and love. Okay. So what happens is, like, when you are feeling that person is not there outside, so the experiences that you have shared with them, those were very unique, and when they are not there, so you don't understand how to experience those happy moments, because all those happy moments or those happy feelings had came with the experience with your twin flame or your false twin flame. I'm again and again repeating false twin flame because my initial interaction or introduction to this subject started with a false twin flame, and that was how my journey was. So it should not be like you are meeting a false twin flame. So it's not about deciding who they are, but it is about deciding what you are feeling and how you are coming into harmonious union. Again and again I'm going to stress upon that. It's always about how you are feeling, because that's the way you that's the way that is your feeling that is going to guide you or give you the path to come or take the next step into the feeling. So when the person is not there and you start feeling lonely, because all of those experiences are gone, and with that person only you had those experiences, and you start to believe that you are not going to experience all those happy moments after losing this connection. But first of all, there is no truth that you are losing the connection. Your twin flame always loves you unconditionally. It's just that the path to harmonious union with your twin flame is a spiritual path. It's not a like you meet with a another person like a soulmate or a karmic. So all that they are doing is they are guiding you to God, so they are not intentionally leaving you or abandoning you. They are just when they are going or they are repelled from you, they are actually guiding you to establish a connection with God. That's where you deeply start to desire God. And most of the people I knew, and also in my experience also, when that external love is lost, you deeply feel a desire to only God can save you. That's a natural instinct that will happen. You will start to seek what exactly God is, how the universe works. So all those things, those are within you, they will start to activate, and that's actually the process, because you start to get into the process of cleansing of your kundalini. That's a natural process that will happen with your twin flame journey. So they are not leaving you behind to feel lonely. They are actually guiding you to establish a connection with God, and going deeper into to understand the experiences that you had with your twin flame. You can absolutely create those experiences with God, because you need to understand that you create your experiences. So come to the belief that the experiences that you had with your twin flame, it didn't come from them. Those happy moments didn't come from your twin flame. You only created those happy moments with your twin flame. And anyway, your twin flame is not separate than you, so it's only you, that you contains you and your twin flame. So it's only you who created those happy moments. So come to the belief that when you have created those happy moments one time, you can create that again and again, and infinitely increasing only. Okay, so come out of that belief that it is lost and you are not going to get it back. There is no truth to that. When you have created that, you are actually absolutely divine, and you can create those happy moments with God by yourself. And once you come back into that state, that's actually a harmonious state where you create all your experience in love and peace with God. That's where you are going to attract your twin flame harmonious union energy. That's how you actually embody within that, because things are not happening to you, you are actually creating your experiences. So the whole purpose of taking you deeper into this loneliness upset is that you are not lonely. It's just a guidance that you establish your connection with God and create your experiences, create all your happiness, create all your joy, create all your, like all your divine friends, establish your connection with your soul family. So all those, and establish your relationship with your finances, establish your relationship with your life purpose. So all those things are there lying ahead in front of you. You just have to make a choice that you are getting into initiation to the journey to your harmonious union. That's what is beginning. It's not that you stay in that darkness of loneliness. Okay, so with this I will keep connecting back with you. Subscribe my channel to support expansion of this knowledge. Thank you.